Those who lead are the ones who can clearly communicate what they believe, and those who can clearly communicate what they believe are the ones who lead.
My why is I want to free people. You figure out your why, and you'll do all the work necessary to get there.
The thing that I like about Carbon Copy Pro is that all the time they keep delivering something new. They bring in new information, new excitement, and it doesn't get old.
You have to figure out, what does success mean for you? What do you really want to accomplish in this lifetime?
The action is the result. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? It's only time that's the variable.
Finally, I feel like I found a home for an entrepreneur where I can actually dive into what I'm about and what I care about. Thank you for that, Alan and Jay and Aaron. I appreciate it.
We want to recognize some of the most successful affiliates for Carbon Copy Pro after the last 6 months.
We decided to do a little something different.
So many of us wake up to fresh, clean drinking water, and we know that there are millions and millions who die every day because they can't.
We're going to be donating it to winetowater.org.
What do you guys think about putting like 50 grand in cash on the table if somebody just smashes our all-time sales record? And they were like, yeah, of course, because nobody will do it. I am a man of my word.
If we didn't believe in this, it would have never have happened. So thank you once again, everybody.
There's a whole lot of things I learned. That's a hard question.
It was jaw-dropping for me and truly life-changing.
Carbon Copy Pro always is looking for ways for the future.
We cannot achieve anything without the people in here. This is a movement. Who's in?